Now we record money coming in. From the donations menu we open Receive Cash Donation. Cash basis means we record the gift only when the money is actually received. We fill in everything. A donor can be one of our registered donors, or a customer, vendor, or director we have flagged as a donor, so we choose the donor source first, then the donor. Here it is one of our standalone donors. The amount, 500,000 naira, the currency, and the bank account the money landed in. Notice the donation income account is filled in for us automatically, from the accounts we configured in company settings, so we never post a donation to the wrong account. Then the purpose, any restrictions the donor placed on the gift, a description and remarks. Every field, we record it. ZetaFisc posts the double entry, debit the bank, credit donation income. Recorded, and it appears in the donations received list. Donations can also come in a foreign currency. We open Receive Cash Donation again from the menu, for a gift of $1,000. We choose US dollars. Because the books are kept in Naira, an exchange rate is needed. We do not guess the rate. We click Fetch Rate to pull the dollar rate for this date from our exchange rates or the live feed. If none is on record yet, we simply enter it here, 1,600 naira to the dollar. $1,000 at the day rate, shown as its value in naira. We fill the remaining fields and record it. Both gifts now sit in the list, each recorded in naira, with the original currency and rate shown beneath the foreign one.